Hello everyone, today we have some Nismo goodies and I am super excited because anytime we get Nismo goodies for the R33 GT-R, it is awesome, woohoo! Alright, so what do we have? We have Nismo's carbon pillar garnish. Now I know this box is a little beat up, that's because of the shipping people, but here it is guys. These are freaking amazing and I am so excited to put them on. So the instructions come in Japanese. We have not learned Japanese overnight, but Google offers a great app where we just kind of pan over it and it's like magic. It just turns it into English. I love it. So anyways, the instructions say, just make sure that you align it correctly. You could use tape to align it. If it's cold, that you could heat up the back of the garnish. You could heat up the adhesive so it can make sure that it sticks. And it makes sense because if it's cold, it's gonna be hard, it's not gonna stick. And then on top of that, after you install this, you don't wanna wash the car or do anything for about 24 hours. So it's not that cold here, so we're not gonna be doing that. We're just gonna be installing it. We're gonna clean the surface, and then we're gonna show you the before, and then we're gonna show you the after, and then we're gonna give you different kind of distances so you guys could see. But I already mocked it up, and let me tell you, it's awesome. All right, let's put it on. So this is where it's gonna go. And originally I was wondering, is it gonna be too much, or should I do it? But really, when you look at the side of the profile of the GT-R, anything can help it because especially on black, it's gonna give it some character. But Nismo has not let us down. These turn signals right here on the fender are amazing. They look great. We have the Nismo rear window or visor thing that came out amazing. And then we have the wing end caps, which are awesome. So I really think Nismo knew what these cars needed, and they also give it a lot of character. So that's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be putting this bad boy on. So here it is, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and wipe it down with some alcohol. All right, so we have an alcohol pad, and this is all I'm gonna do. As you can see, it streaks, and what you wanna do is you wanna make sure that it dries before you throw anything on there, right? You don't wanna throw anything on there while it's streaky. And then we're gonna let that dry. If you know about the crew here at Drivers Therapy, Elise is incredible. Her attention to detail and patience and accuracy is incredible. And so she's gonna be putting on this bad boy. She's measuring it up. You know what they say, measure twice, cut once. In this situation, we're gonna measure twice, and then we're gonna go ahead and push once. All right, and Elise is lining up. She pulled back on the adhesive in the back. She took off the adhesive protector, and now she's slowly lining it up and putting it on. And it's on there, guys, and let me tell you, it looks amazing. Because it's a Nismo part, because it's an actual, genuine, authentic Nissan part, it was perfectly cut, sized, and it went on there perfect. As far as adding to the car, it's perfect because the GT-R, especially the R33, needed something right in between it, and now it gives it a really cool dimension. All right, guys, now you could see that there's a break in the middle that catches your eyes, and it kind of gives it an extra shape. It gives it that character that the GT-R actually needed. This is a perfect part, especially to give that extra touch. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put on the other one off camera, but I wanted to take a note and tell you guys that this is real carbon fiber. This is the real deal, and this is why this cost a little under $300. You heard that right, this bad boy cost about $270-ish. That's how much I paid, shipped from Japan. I bought it from an eBay store. I'll put their link in the description. I don't know how many they have, they might run out. And I wanna let you guys know about our membership program. If you want to learn about the behind the scenes or about me, I talk about finances, I talk about cars, and if you just want to see literally behind the scenes of Drivers Therapy, join our membership program. And you get to support the channel, which is great because if you learn anything or if you get anything out of our videos, it's just a nice relationship to be able to, both of us, just grow and have success. Well, thank you for watching, guys. We appreciate it. Hit that like button, comment. Now, YouTube loves when you guys comment, even if it's a thumbs up, a happy face, or I like it, or whatever you want to say, put in a comment. We appreciate it. You stay safe, take care, and we'll talk to you soon.